For the camera function, we switch from the camera to the music. On the music side, it connects to this Spotify and Amazon Music. We can take a quick look at its features. Alright, I'm connected to Amazon Music. Okay, now let's play a music ad stream. Boss Wong's photograph. Alright, we can pinch with our index finger and thumb to adjust the volume. Now let's see what it sounds like at maximum volume. How it comes across.
Loving can hurt sometimes, but it's the only thing that I know. When it gets hard,
就它的音效还是很不
The
错的，
sound
但
quality
音
is
效很不
actually
错。
quite good.
我觉得 Meta 它
think
做
Meta
智能眼镜，
has
然
wide
后它
open
的
eyes,
音效是我
and
目
its
前
sound
见
quality
过
is
的就
current.
效果应该是最好
This
的
is the effect, which should be the
双
best.
击亮屏，
Double tap to wake the screen.
调节一下显示的位置。
Then adjust the display position. Let's slightly adjust the camera lens.
好，
Okay,
你可以在播
you
放
can
音
go
乐的
back
时候
while
返
playing
回，
music,
它不会
and it
终
won't
止音乐
stop
播
the
放。
playback.
你锁屏的
When
时
you
候它
lock
有
the
播放
screen,。it
你播放
continues
音乐的
playing
时
the
候
music.
如果你来到
If
主
you
界
go
面，
back to
它
the
会在
home
上面有一个
There
你
will
直
be
接
a
上
bar on
滑，
top that
你
lets
直
you
接
swipe
握
up
拳上
directly.
滑，你是
Simply
可以
swipe
直
up,
接选中
and
音
you
乐
can
播放
select the
APP，
music player app directly.
然后你可以单击
Then tap to
直接
enter
进
the
入音乐
music
界面。
interface.
好，好，你这样返回。
When you go back
单
this
击返
way
回
and tap to
好，它不会
return,
进，
well,
它不会
it
中断
won't
音乐播放。
interrupt the music playback.
好，
However,
好，但明显
there
就
are
是
clearly
这个
cases where
在
its
视频
detection
中
isn't accurate.
握拳然后右滑。
Press, then
哦
swipe，
原来
again.
我是卡在了
It
音
didn't
乐
work for
的
me.
上
I
面。
got stuck on the
但这
music
就很有
screen.
意思，因为
But
如果
that's
你选
interesting
中
because if
你
you've
已经
selected
选到了音乐这
and
里，
you're in the music
我
section,
的判断
my
是，如果
judgment is that
即使在音乐这
even
个
if you are
APP
in the
选
music
择，
app,
你右滑应该
if
也
you
是
swipe
可以
right,
直接滑到
you should be able to slide directly to
APP 菜单
the
的，
app menu.
但它必须要你返回到
But you must
Ask Meta
return to
AI
the Ask
这
Made
个
AI
按钮
button
你才能返回到
to get
APP
back
选
to
项
the app
APP
selection
菜单
menu.
好，
Okay,
好，我们现在把这个
Alright,
音
let's
乐
pause the
稍
music
微
for a
暂停一
moment.
下。好，再来听一下它的音乐。
after the music paused,